fuck? I can't even move my hand. I just ripped my wig off and the glass was coming out. Fuck. 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 Damn. Look at my face. Fuck. Fuck. Look at my fucking face. Like, what the fuck? Like, what the fuck? Look at my face, y'all. Damn, this shit breaking my heart. This shit breaking my heart. Look at my face. Look at my ear. Look at this. This shit just fucked me up. It's glass stuck in my face. On this side when I wipe it, it's just stuck. This shit breaking my heart. No cap. No cap. Look at my face. Ah, shit. Look at my fucking face. Bro, look at my face. Gang, if nothing else didn't break me, like literally, like if nothing, no relationship, no beef, nothing break me, bro. This shit broke me. Yes, I'm okay, thank you. If nothing didn't break me, this shit broke me. Y'all see the glass in my skin? Ah, that shit hurt. Y'all see the glass? Look at the glass. Look at the glass. That shit in my skin, y'all. Oh, this glass. This is glass. Hey, Ivy. Hi, doll. I'm gonna be okay. Y'all see the glass right here? It's in my skin. It hurts so bad. It's not a, this not a wig. This is sew-in. I would have been took this shit off. My little brother, he okay. Chopper, his face looks real bad. He was bleeding like up here. He was bleeding from his head. Cause when the wreck happened, the car flipped over twice.
All right, well. How are you? Dr. Coker, nice to meet you. You met Amik up front. I'm gonna ask you to get up and hold both for a moment, please, if you don't mind. Thank you.
Okay, y'all.